Why? Why everything is energy and why everything is illusion? I feel that the energy is the element, is the life source of all living beings. Because our planet is spinning continuously and time is moving non-stop. So it is the waves of energy, the waves of dimension. Therefore, it is a source of energy, the cause and the conditions of all things, the cause and the effects of all things. And the more you see this, the more you will feel alive within you, the more you will have full of happiness, joy, and bliss within you, because you realize that life truly exists in the moment of now. And the reality that you are going through is forever changing, because nothing remains the same. And why everything is an illusion? Because everything has a physical form. Anything that has a physical form, it has no true self. It's made up of combinations of all things, the 5 elements: earth, water, wind, fire, air, dirt. By knowing this, you can change your thoughts, you can heal yourself from a negative thinking into a positive thinking, from a strong emotion into relaxed calmness, and let go. Because the more you let go, the more you don't identify yourself with your own ego, with your own thoughts, and with your own emotion. With this understanding, you will awaken yourself within a second, and you will realize that I am unborn and undeath. The energy in me is always moving from one thing to the next. Nothing really true. The knowing of this, the understanding of this, will awaken yourself from this illusion of life and start to appreciate your life, create the quality that what is still here for you. Enjoy and be happy with your life, because you never know when is your last day. Only you can come to this realization. Only you can truly awaken yourself. The path of awakening, the path to inner peace is right in you. You have the power, you have the energy, and you have the bravery to overcome and to live life as you always wanted. So let it be and let it go. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.